As an Ifugao, and with our Muyong system in place, we would like to assure the national government that the local government unit of Ifugao are strongly supporting the Save the Watershed campaign. Thank you very much for this opportunity to make this humble presentation. Agiyo Ifugao.
Ako si Development Management Officer 5 Ferdinand Santiago, the Chief Technical Services Division and the FAP Focal Person and Concurrent Capacity. We are now here in the Barangay of Luta, the Municipality of Lagawe, and the sub-watershed of Ibulao. Welcome to this project, the Forest Land Management Project implemented in the province of Ifugao in the Cordillera Administrative Region.
Inhije sa may umingli, SK Chairman, Chiluta, Lagawe, Ifugao. Hainat mi, tree planting ami, tapos nun clean up drive ami, tamalinisan tayo surroundings mi. Ay nun itanong mi the adiu, the fruit bearing trees, matmatig jumet. O, ay maipaka hi kabataan hi tunay achan mi and encourage ucha ju pumadchang ini oombod tao o ta ipatto tao to gaynon hitugwan tao para met lang achan ni umalin tuon infuloy tao.
Ya bang inganyo tao an tumultulong hi matini ni mun ajag hi mun tanom o jay mo tao to pumadchang ya mun linis sa community mo tao pumadchang o ja
Chamin yung unga tudluta Lagawe Ifugao. Pataka mo, itok mo!
Patong chip pun pasalamat mi etau ang project tin jalisyo. Ihnay non atanman mo hasi edati an nabakante an luta. Ihna chumay ajiw je. Ihna chumay nun pun tanom hi po members ci community and ci organization.
Importante chatewe an kayu am yama ichatewe an punharpito hi panagbiag to chatewe kina importante na isungaw awiso chayu an ifa ang pios nga iyad buket to wino ipagatunan na ifa to muntanom to hinan kayu te importante tewe an kayu hinan biag to.
So nga citaw member ci barangay council, ya juon citaon stakeholders, kakaron ci yung kabataan, padyang tao ta protektaran tao ta watershed ito ay anon kublo dyan tao. Patak mo, itok mo.